Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have just had a live session where I trade binary option again. Now, if you want to be a part of my live sessions, it's very simple. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's point number one. Point number two, make sure you turn on the notifications so you never lose a live stream. Because yes, we are making money daily. Okay, I will log in now after so you can see how we are done. Okay, but also you will need to use a broker like you see I'm using here now. Make sure at least you sign up with a demo account because it's so much more fun to follow my live sessions if you can trade together with me. Okay, so below the video you'll find a link to this broker. Make sure you use this link. This link also automatically make you a demo account. Normally you don't get a demo account with this broker, but I have made so you get a demo account, okay? Also, number two, make sure that if you decide to make a deposit, use the promo code that you find below so you get 200% on your first deposit. So yes, make your first deposit count. Now I will log in so we can take a look at the trades we did today. So let me see, let's take a reload of this page. Let me see. There. There, let's log in. Okay, so there we logged in. As you can see, we have some lines here. Typically, the way I'm trading, I make a blue line, that is a testing line where we are following. If I have a green line, that is an area where we are buying. And a red line, we are basically making sells. So when I do my live sessions, I make it simple. I'll not just put, let's see if we have one that shows a little better area. Yeah, here we have a good one. So here, for example, I would have made a line up, let me see, there. This one I have turned to a red color. So if you come up to that red line, I will do a sell trade. Down here around, it's not perfect yet, so let's say down here. Now this one would have been blue in my case because when you're away from a line for so long time, I want to see one more test. But at least this is how I trade. Then I will basically say, okay, if you come up to this line here, that is on 1645.122 and if you don't get it the first time, if you can't read what says in the red area, I will repeat it till you get it, okay? So you can just ask in the chat and I will add it for you, okay? So that is how you're trading, and you can basically just push. And I use the color scheme. I don't call it resistant line, I don't call it support line, I just call it red and green line. I make it stupid simple so anyone can follow. So green color up, red color down, color red. Okay, it's that simple. So then you can follow me and just copy what I'm doing in my live sessions. You're not supposed to wait till you see I push the button, because sadly on YouTube there can be like 5-6 seconds delay. So when I push, that will show for you maybe 5-6 seconds after. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to follow where I put my lines. Then you need to see on your broker with your screen where I have my lines, and you can then, when you see this bar come down to this area, that is when you're supposed to push the up button also. Okay, now let's take a look at the trades we have done today. Let's see how much profit we made. I have not done the calculations. Let's see. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades today. Out of 9 trades, we did win 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 6 out of 9 trades. And that means we take 6, multiply with 98. That's 588. Minus 3 multiplied with 100. That is 300 minus 300. We made a profit of 288. Now, we also, when we're trading, we get cash back. You see the number up here? Every time I'm trading, this number will go up. So when I push this button now, this will be added to the balance you see here for this real account here. You can actually have up to 5 real accounts. So for example, if you're following me, you can use one real account for me, and you can add some other money for other YouTubers. I don't think any other ones have live stream like me, but it's a nice way so you can see who you make the most money with. Okay? But by the way, you get this. Now when I push this button, this will be added to this real account. So see here now, I push, and there you see, it's added. How cool is that? So that's a way for you to also make some extra money. So that was $73. So we add that to this balance we had. So our profit today, they turn out to be $361. That is a little on the lower end on a typical live stream from me. So typically you have a better win rate in this, and we are making much more money than this. But still, we are making profit, and that is amazing. So once again, I will have a live stream again tomorrow. You can join me. Make sure you can make some money together with me, or you can just choose to trade on a demo account for now and decide if you want to go in with real money later. That is completely up to you, of course. Also, I do trade live Monday to Friday on this broker, and in Saturday I trade at Pocket Option. You find information about Discord. I trade on Discord in Saturdays for Pocket Option, so make sure you join me there also, and make sure you sign up with that broker also, so you can trade with me there also. So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you tomorrow.